Hey guys, it's Matt Monday again. Today we're going to talk again about how to increase your print speed. And today we're talking about the probably biggest influence on this topic overall, the requirements. So in the past couple of episodes, we learned how to increase the build speed either by adjusting the layer height or scan speed or hatch distance. But the most pressing issue always is, why do you want to print faster? It's typically because the cost of the part is too high. It's not economical to print the part the way it is right now. And this leads us to the requirements. Does your part really have to be 99.95% density? I guess in some applications that's going to be the case, but I bet you most applications you can also live with 99.5 or even 99% density. And this will have a huge impact on how you adjust your parameters. There are studies out there that show that if you can go from 99.9 down to 99% or even less, you can increase your print speed by almost a factor of 10. And this will, on the other side, decrease your cost per part significantly. So when you design your part and when you want to print it, keep in mind what is the real requirement for this part. Does it have to be fully dense, or can you, deal with a little bit of porosity in the part? I hope this tip was helpful. See you guys again next week.